People, today I am going to be showing you a sign up and login page I use using VsCode. So here I have sign up page. See, it says sign up right here, and then you have your first name. Just say Goonlord2067 and an email example@gmail.com. Then I set my password as pneumono ultramicroscopic cylindrical volcanoconiosis, and confirm password. You can do pneumono ultramicroscopic cylindrical volcanoconiosis, and then sign up. Password does not match, which in case they do not. And I said these does have errors. I use JavaScript for that. And I have a login page right here, which only has the email and password. And so yeah, that's the login page. So I'm gonna close. So this is my code right here. What I used for my sign up and login page. This is basically for the errors. It says validation.js, and this is styled. The CSS is for styling the page, like for the background and the fanciness and stuff, the logos. And so yeah, that's basically what's there. And then these are for the bare bones of the login sign up page. This is for sign up page. There's a index, which is for sign up, and then a login, which is for the login page, as you can see. And then these are the logos right there. And you can actually you can get it on GitHub. My user is GetUser56. So GitHub user 6. Then the repository for this is DontSayHippo, which is public. And so I'll start this right quick. And so yeah.